It's very unfortunate that a time like this in our country, leaders are having tribal conversations as they prepare themselves to lead the country. It's rather embarrassing to hear Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka talking about tribes when it comes to leadership. We, as a Kenyan people, we are looking at issue-based conversations going forward. How do we make Kenya a better country for everybody, and not who is where because of what tribe? It's astonishing that we are done from party hopping to now we are getting to tribe hopping. So we are hopping from one tribe to another, all in the name of what? Trying to be leaders? I mean, I respect Kalonzo Musyoka as a leader in the country, and at some point I personally approached Kalonzo Musyoka and had a conversation with the possibility of him being my running mate and deputizing me for one reason, what we call intergenerational linkage, where he brings the institutional memory, experience, wisdom. But I'm beginning to even question that wisdom of our leaders when we begin to talk about tribes in forming the next government. My presidential bid is based on a genuine conversation of Kenyans on issues and not tribes, which we are aware we come from various tribes and we are proud that diversity is good for us, but it's not the basis for leadership. And that's all I can tell our leaders. And anyway, their time is up, because as we speak, we have 3 months to redeem our country. And I believe as Umoja Summit Party and my presidential ambition, which is based on issues and not personalities or tribes, at the end of the day, we have a better opportunity with Umoja Summit and myself as we go forward.